As COVID-19 grips parts of Indonesia, oxygen supplies in the country are in short supply. The government is asking producers to divert all supplies for medical needs and says it will begin imports if needed. COVID-19 infections have risen for 10 days in a row as Indonesia battles one of the worst epidemics in Asia. For more, here's our regional correspondent Philip Sherwell reporting.
Indonesia particularly is just a terrible hotspot at the moment. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent have warned of an impending catastrophe. Someone might say it's already there. You know, there's no oxygen supplies to be had in many parts of this huge archipelago. There were reports of more than 30 people dying in one hospital alone in a major city because of lack of oxygen. The authorities are trying to import it from neighbouring countries. The domestic oxygen industry is at full tilt, and the worst case scenario is a sort of repeat of the sorts of awful scenes we saw in India recently. But not just Indonesia. You know, Malaysia is in a full lockdown, pretty full lockdown in many parts at the moment. Thailand's numbers are at record highs, and they're all struggling with a combination of the arrival of the Delta variant and these slow rollouts of vaccines. A lot of these countries were not too badly hit last year at the height of the pandemic in other parts of the world, but they've either been slow off the mark or they've just been logistical problems, financial problems getting vaccines in. So we have this very sort of potent combination here at the moment of this particularly contagious variant kicking in, and yes, a slow stage of vaccines being rolled out.